Hello ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to this news tutorial, and the app that we're going to be using is Sketchbook. I hope everyone has downloaded it from Play Store. So you search for Autodesk Sketchbook, then you can either find it at the top here with the letter A or with the letter S, so anyone. So you click on it. So once you click on it for the first time, this is what you are going to see. This empty white space and empty white space and empty white space and this functions at the top. Okay, let's continue. So these 6 tools are the tools that you are going to need in all through your sketching, your painting, and all through your journey on this app. So today we are just going to go through. Now we are going to go through the functions of all the icons there and the tools embedded in these 6 icons. So let's go. So the first one, this when you click on it, you are going to see these options. So now, new sketch, as the name implies, a new sketch. That is, if you are done with this page and you want to create a new sketch, and you click on it. So once you click on it, it will ask you for resolutions. You can choose like you can increase it, and as you increase it, you see that the numbers of your layers here decreases, and as you reduce it, the numbers of your layers increases. So you can see, so as I click on OK, it's created a new sketch. So but you don't actually really need this, but anytime you want to, actually you need a bigger space, so you can just come here, click on new sketch, custom, and increase it, and you can press OK. So you get a bigger screen, and you can also zoom in and zoom out. How am I zooming in? Your 2 ends, using your 2 ends. By using your 2 fingers, you can zoom in. Put your 2 fingers on the screen and just as if when you are zooming in or zooming out pictures on the norms. So that is the way to zoom in or zoom out. So now the next step, the next step is gallery. Now gallery, what's gallery for? Gallery is used when you want to save. Like, let's assume you've been drawing and you need to save your pictures, like your work, so you click on gallery, then it saves, but it doesn't automatically save as this. It will ask you some question. So now I want to explain something. Now that we are here, I want to explain something. So now, if you have when you come here and you want to, after you've saved, let's assume you want to now start a new sketch. So you click on, you see a plus sign beneath you. When I remove it, like here exactly this part, you see a plus sign. When you click on it, you see new sketch, new from image, new from camera. So now if I want to bring in a sketch, a picture from my gallery, I will click on new from image. So click on new from image, it goes straight to my gallery, and it's like, okay, which picture that I want to like. So I will go to where the picture is, but since the picture that I want to really use is here, so I just click on it. So now it automatically fits in, like the size of the picture is the size that Autodesk will recognize. Like the length and breadth of this picture will be automatically selected with Autodesk. Like if I hide it now, if I hide it, you can see that the height of the canvas is in line with what the picture that I bought. If I zoom in, it will not change the size, it will just like make it bigger so that I can see it. So that is what bringing pictures directly from your gallery will do for you, and it will save you from having issues like unwanted spaces. Now what do I mean by unwanted spaces? Now let me save this. Now I said that it will not just save automatically. So when you click on gallery, it will ask you save current sketch, discard current sketch. Now what you need to do is save current sketch. But there are some times that Autodesk can be funny. Let me use this as I remember now. Let me tell you now. So there are some times that Autodesk can be funny. Like when you open the app, let's assume you have some previous work that you have been doing, so you want to continue working on it. So when you open it, instead of you to see the works you've done, you'll see a different work, like as if Autodesk has tampered with it. So now the best thing for you to do, so that you will not now start from the beginning again, the work is still there, but the app glitches. So what the best thing you will do is click on this first one, click on gallery. You will see three options: save current sketch, save current sketch as a copy, and discard current sketch. What you need to do in those situations is select save current sketch, save current sketch as a copy, save current sketch as a copy. Now as we go on, I'll show you when it's bring those kind of things as a copy, as a copy. So now that I remember, I'm telling you this because I might forget, so it's good as I remember now. So save current sketch. Now I want to show you the difference between having a picture like this and if you choose new sketch. Let's say I choose this now. Then okay, and I say okay, I want to bring the image from my phone to this place now. So okay, we'll still come back here. Let's go to this place, number 2. Let's go to this place, click on it, then you'll see import image. Now I click on this. Now what do you notice? You notice that there are spaces above and there are spaces below. So now if I zoom in, you can see that Autodesk did not automatically fill in, like recognize the length and breadth of this picture. Why? Because we've already created a page for it, a canvas for it, so we now bought something to fit in it. So that is the difference between the two. So don't ever do this. You only do this if you actually needed the spaces above and below. But if you just want to draw the sketch that was given to you, like the image that was given to you, just want to sketch it and do the needful, then you don't do this. It is wrong for you to do this, because by the time you save, let's save. By the time we save, this is what we are going to see. Now this is what we are going to see. Now in this and this, when you get to your gallery, you will find out that you will still need to what? Sorry. When you get your gallery, you find out that you will still need to copy it. You can see you still need to be copying it so that you'll be able to what? Send it to your client, and that is very, very wrong. So now let's go back to Autodesk. So let's use this picture. So now the next one, we are going back to the first icon now. The next one is share. Now share, if you click on share, you click on share. Now share is used. Let's assume you want to save the picture. You don't want to save the picture in the same folder that you are saving the picture, like you want to save it in another folder. So it is share you will use. So you just like either save to device or you click on others. If you click on others now, that means you want to directly share it to somebody on WhatsApp or Sketchbook, or through Bluetooth or Facebook, or you want to upload it on your newsfeed, or you want to like send that directly to share. So but if you want to save it in another folder on your phone, if you click on share, you click on save to device, then it brings out this. Then you now like, where do you want to save it to? Then you click on the folder that you want to save it to and you save. You click on save. So but since we are not saving, let's just go back. Okay, so the next one is preference. Now preference is just settings, like you want to customize your Autodesk app. So like this place now, if you see this place, note this place, you see something here, something here. Now you see that each of them has a name. This is clear layer. You can see frame, canvas, undo and redo. Now I'm not going to select 3-finger tap to toggle screen or 3-finger swipe in the following direction to access for customer. No, because I don't actually need them, because I already know how to get my undo, my redo, my clear layer and my frame canvas. So and if you want to change all this, if you want to change it, you can just click on it. Then what do you want to put by that side, you just select it. But I'm okay with whatever is here, so I'm not going to change anything. But if yours hasn't been selected, pinch to gallery, select it, pixel preview, select it, corner shortcut, double tap corners to quickly access this for customer book shortcuts, select it. Also select this to tap hold for color picker, select that too. So those are the things that you need. So and once you are done, just click on back. So now what do we mean? Now let me explain them. So now how you are going to get those 4 settings. Now if you look at the bottom, you see a small circle. Let me raise this thing up. Okay, you see a small circle here. So once you click on the small circle, you see those 4. Look at the edges of your phone. You see undo, redo, frame, canvas and clear layer. So if I click on my if I right click on if I click on this option here, you see that it will frame the canvas to make the picture to go back to its original state. Now if let's assume I create a layer and I just like do something. If I want to like remove what I just did, instead of me to look for eraser and clean it, I'll just like undo, and undo is by the left. So click on that small circle and click on undo. By this is undo, so click on undo and it will take it away. You can see it is no more there. So now redo is by the right, undo is by the left, and this one at the top left that says clear layer, that means this layer will be removed. If I click on it, okay, thank you. So if you're just using Autodesk for the first time, all those tips will be coming in, because I actually flashed my phone and installed this Autodesk again, so that is why I'm seeing new tips. So because I need to record this tutorial, and for me to successfully do this without my Autodesk hanging or without my phone hanging and making the tutorial to be lost, I have to clear my phone. So now, as I was saying, if I click on this option at the top here, it will clear the layers that I have. Now you might not see the effects now, but if I click on this place, you can see now erase layer according to the name, clear layer. Now it means that all what that is on it will be removed. Now a layer, I'm going to do different kind of things on the layer now. So then click on it, you can see it removes every mistakes on that layer, every mistake on that layer. So those are the 4 options. You can see that when I press it down, other things came in. So you can either select, change it, change it. So it depends on you, but I'm going to leave mine like this. So now let's move on to the next.